So actually, we are offering a business opportunity. We have a tie-up with the Tata Projects. If anybody wants to start up their own company, like it's a kind of RO projects. So nowadays, in a 20 liters can also, they are buying 20 rupees, 30 rupees. They're costing. So now, if they plan this RO plant where it will cost, hardly for 20 liters it will cost 1 or 2 rupees. That much is cost wise they can reduce, and they can take it as a business, and they can also do service to the public. So that way they can do. And if it is a rural areas like villages and all, if they wanted to start up as a business, of course we have a tie up with Lion Club, where they are also providing some kind of financial support, so you don't have to invest so much. So we have investments budget wise, like up from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs range budget levels we have. So if the person, whatever the affordability, whatever the requirements, based on that they can do the investments. And we do have one more project like property yatra. Generally what public is doing, like they can't able to choose which company to invest, where to invest. So we are giving a brief idea. So we are taking them on weekends. It's a kind of yatra kind of thing. We are taking all the families wherever the location they prefer, clubbing together, and we are taking them and we are showing all the tie-ups we have, all the top companies, Aparna, Aditya, all the tie-ups we have. So we will take them and show them all the properties wherever they like it, wherever the budget is affordable to invest. So we are suggesting them accordingly. So that is the kind of yatra. We take them free of cost. Free, we will make them to choose whatever the properties they like it and whichever the areas. So that is what we are into. It's very good actually. In fact, all Hyderabad creamy people are coming here. So together we can able to source some good leads from here. So this is kind of lead generation we are doing it here. We are enjoying the day. Thank you.